In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome to Cook Zest channel. Today, I'm sharing the perfect tandoori chicken recipe, and the best part is that you don't need an oven, pan, or grill. I'll show you a very easy and simple way to make tandoori chicken so soft, tender, juicy, and incredibly flavorful. Once you try this recipe, you'll want to make it again and again. To see how this delicious tandoori chicken is made, make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't miss any step. We're going to make it in a pressure cooker, and it will taste just like restaurant-style tandoori chicken, full of flavor and perfectly cooked. So don't skip the video, so let's get started. I have used whole chicken now. Make deep cuts on the chicken. This is a very important step because it helps the spices reach deep inside the meat, making it moist, soft, juicy, and allowing it to cook faster. After washing the chicken, I placed it in a sieve for half an hour to drain all the excess water. Now for first marination, we will add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, 4 tablespoon tandoori masala. Mix everything very well and massage the chicken so the flavors go deep into the cuts. The first marinade removes the chicken's smell, helps pull out excess moisture, and gives flavor from inside. Cover and set it aside to marinate for 1 hour. While the first marinade is resting, let's prepare the second marinade. Take a pan, heat 4 tablespoons of oil. After 1 min oil will be hot, take it out in a bowl, let it cool until lukewarm. Now add 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder to give beautiful color. Mix well. When the mixture cools to room temperature, add a half teaspoon salt. Adjust because tandoori masala also contains salt. 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, a half teaspoon garam masala, a half teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoon chaat masala, 4 tablespoons thick yogurt drained for 1 hour. Mix everything thoroughly. The yogurt must be thick, so the marinade sticks well to the chicken. After 1 hour, the chicken has released a lot of water. Discard this water completely. Now add the second marinade to the chicken and massage it well, making sure the masala gets inside all the cuts. This will make your tandoori chicken extremely flavorful and juicy. To give it a restaurant-style aroma, place a small foil sheet or steel bowl inside the chicken bowl. Put a hot charcoal piece on it, drizzle a little oil, and immediately cover the bowl for 4-5 minutes. This gives a perfect smoky tandoori flavor. Do not leave the smoke for too long or the chicken may become bitter. Now cover the chicken again and marinate it for 3 hours. Place a small steel bowl or stand inside the pressure cooker for height. Put marinated whole chicken in foil, wrap it. Now place the whole chicken on the steel plate. Remove the rubber ring from the cooker lid and do not use the whistle. Cover the cooker and cook on low flame for 30 minutes. Now remove the cover. See how tandoori chicken is perfectly cooked, juicy, tender, and aromatic. Take the chicken out in a plate. Brush oil on top for beautiful grill marks and a dabba style. Lightly grill each side on the stovetop for 2-3 minutes. This step gives it a restaurant-like finish, extra flavor, and beautiful color. The tandoori chicken is ready. Beautiful color, amazing aroma, and moist juicy meat inside. Serve it with green chutney and enjoy. Try this simple and easy recipe. You can make restaurant-style tandoori chicken at home on a very low budget. If you liked today's video, please subscribe, like, and share. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next cooking vlog with a new recipe. Please remember me in your special prayers. Allah Hafiz.